Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today I'm going to be recording a Valentine's Day makeup look for you. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this look and especially achieve those big voluminous lashes that we all want and we all do everything we can to achieve. So I hope you enjoy the video and let me know, comment below what you think. Okay, here we go. Okay, so first up, I take my Tarte Amazonian Clay Tinted Moisturizer in color light medium, and I use my beauty blender. This is actually Sephora brand, and that's why it's shaped that way. And I blend that in all over my face. It takes probably the most time out of anything to blend everything in. Make sure your foundation, that your base is super even, and that makes a big difference. Next up, I come in with Too Faced Born This Way Naturally Radiant Concealer, and in color light nude, and I dab it on the under my eye and then use the beauty blender again. Then I use Magic Decrease Eyelid Primer, which is a L'Oreal drugstore product, which I absolutely love, and the color is 895, and this is awesome for setting your eyelid primer. Then I come in with Tarte Smooth Operator Setting Press Powder in light, which is amazing. And then I'm using as my bronzer the Tarte Amazonian Clay Park Ave Princess. And I love blending this in. It looks really natural. I'm blending it on my cheekbones, my neck, just kind of everywhere. That's an awesome product. Then I use Tarte and Party, which is a really pretty blush for every day. Then I come in with my my Becca palette, which is a shimmering skin perfector, and it's a highlighter. Next up, I'm using my favorite all-time palette, which is my Naked palette, and I'm using Half Baked to go all the way over both eyelids, making sure I get a really nice layer on there of this beautiful gold shimmery color. Then I use the color Smog with a smaller brush, and I blend in the creases of my eyes. I really take my time to blend here because that's a really important step to make sure it looks really cohesive and smooth. After that, I take Virgin with a little brush in the same palette, and I do that in the creases of my eyes. This just creates like a really beautiful effect. Next, I come in with my little Marc Jacobs eyeliner pencil or eyeliner brush and my Anastasia Black Waterproof eyeliner in color Jet. This is an amazing product. I used to only use Bobbi Brown, and now I only use this. This is amazing eyeliner. So I come in and do it on the top, and then I also do a little bit of my waterline in the bottom. Then next up, I come in with my favorite voluminous combination for eyelashes, which is L'Oreal Voluminous Base, which is the white primer that I'm using here. And then I do that on both eyes. Sorry, Austin was talking to me about getting lunch. And then I use my Marc Jacobs mascara, which I'll link you guys. It's called, this is 10 Noir Velvet Noir Major Volume Mascara, and they do not lie about that. This is the best mascara for volume, and it's so perfect for Valentine's Day, which is, you know, you want to look sexy and you want to have big eyelashes, and this combination, you guys, is the best. So I highly recommend those two products. If you take any takeaway from this video, that's what I recommend the most. Next, I come in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer Pencil. One side is a brush, the other side is a colored pencil, which is awesome. Always brush your brows up and then fill in with the brow itself. And then I come in with the Brow Gel by Tanya Crooks Eyebrow Gel. It's clear gel that I use to also brush up on my eyelids to keep all of that in place. Next up, my Makeup Forever 14C. It's my favorite everyday lip liner. Then I come in with my NYX Tokyo, which is a pink lipstick, which is matte from the drugstore. And then also my Buxom Blushing Margarita. So lip gloss to finish it off. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed. I will link everything for you below. And I hope this is a great inspiration for your Valentine's Day look. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.